America's public transportation system isn't great, but that doesn't mean it's impossible to get around without a car. Here's everything you need to know about public transportation in America. The United States has an extensive network of buses, trains, and subways that can get you almost anywhere you need to go. While some cities have invested heavily in their public transportation systems, others not so much. But even in smaller cities, you can usually get where you need to go with a combination of bus routes. In larger cities, there's usually a heavy rail system like a subway or an elevated train called the L, which stands for Elevated Railway. The L is a favorite for getting around big cities like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. New York's subway is famous for being the busiest in the nation and one of the oldest systems in the world. Chicago's L is known for its deep tunnels and historic elevated lines, and the San Francisco L is famous for its steep hills and stunning views. But not all cities have an L or a subway. In places like Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and Boston, you'll find a light rail system instead. These trains usually run above ground and connect to different neighborhoods and suburbs. DC's Metro is one of the most extensive light rail systems in the country, and it's a great way to get around the city without a car. If you're traveling to a smaller city or a more rural area, you'll likely rely on buses to get around. America's bus system is vast, with Greyhound being the largest provider, but there are also smaller regional and municipal bus companies. In some cities, you can even take a bus to the airport. Taxis and ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft are also readily available in most cities. However, they can be expensive, especially when compared to public transportation. That's why it's always a good idea to look up local transportation options before you travel. To find out where the nearest bus stop, subway station, or train depot is, you can use Google Maps or a similar service. Just type in your destination and it will show you the different ways to get there, including public transportation options. If you're planning to take public transportation, be sure to check the schedules in advance so you know when to arrive at your stop or station. Some transportation services can be very punctual, while others may run on what some people call island time. No matter where you are in the United States, you should be able to find some form of public transportation. So next time you visit, leave your car at home and take the L, the bus, or the subway. You may just be surprised at how easy it is to get around. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Thanks for watching.